Alright guys, so let's jump right into this video. I just want to say I am not satisfied with my surgery and I will not be going back to Dr. Kurz because I just feel like he didn't suck out anything, nor the back fat. I still have back fat. I look skinny, but it's just like, no. And then my breasts, they don't look right. They kind of look botched, to be honest. So I was not satisfied at all with my surgery. And this is how I looked before. I look slimmer, but I don't like it because I thought I was supposed to look snatched. I should have went to the Dominicans, but I didn't. Anyways, on to this video because this video is all about garments. My post-op, I want to tell you that you can wear these so that you can get that shape. Well, so I can get my shape. Shoot. So the first garment that I have is a girdle. It's a girdle that I really like, and I wore this in a picture of mine that you all loved on Instagram. It was with the red pants, and a lot of people were asking me like, you know, you look kind of slimmer, you look kind of skinny, and that's because I had on this girdle during the picture, y'all. Like, this girdle sucks me in just right. It gives me the shape that I want, and you can also wear this to sleep. Well, I will wear it to sleep, and it just fits perfect on the clothes. So I'm gonna show you how it goes and also how it looks underneath this outfit. So all you do is snap it up and then you zip it up. I just feel like this specific girdle just makes my shape come out more, even in clothes. Like, it just gives me that snatchness that I'm looking for without the surgery that I was unsatisfied with. So yeah, y'all, I really like it and it's really comfortable. So all my girdles and the ones that she sent were a size medium / if you are thinking numbers, is a 36. So this next corset is a corset that you would wear to the gym to work out in. Like, listen, I had a hard time getting this one because I've been wearing the other one lately, so it has adjusted to my shape. But this one, like, y'all, I was tugging with this one. Anyways, I really like it because not only did I have a hard time getting in it, it did not feel any type of discomfort. I didn't feel hurt or anything. Like, it fit me just right and I really liked it, and it gives me the shape that I want once again. Also, if you are wondering how to wash these, you just wash it by hand, and if you want to get like tough stains out, just get some non-chlorine bleach and that will get the tough stains out of this, because this one is like a satin kind of feel. That's how it looked before I put on the corset, and this is how I look now with the corset on. Like, it just sucks in the sides of me, giving me that shape, that hourglass kind of shape, and I really like that. So before I got the surgery, I looked like a box. So I can see a little difference, but not that much. But for $12,000, I don't think that he did a great job. Like, I don't like it at all, and I just wish I could have went to somebody else, and I would not speak of this anymore at all. But anyways, the last corset or the last garment that she sent was full body thermal bralette short garment, and I really like this one because this one is a all over, which is going to smooth out any lumps and bumps that you have, y'all. Okay, flaws and all, it's gonna smooth it out, and I just really love this one because it gives you the shape, but it's just so comfortable. Like, it just feels like cotton. It feels like a dream, let me tell you. So all her stuff will be in the description right below. Don't forget to go check out her website. It's Shaped Perfect, and she has all types of corsets and garments on her site. After post-op surgery, anything that you can name. I think she has compression garments, don't get me wrong, but check her out in the description right below. And until then, I love you guys, and I'll see you guys on the next one.